and welcome back to Food Review Club. I am here at Hitchin in front of Jay's Grill for a very important review. But before we crack on, we have a sponsor for today's video. Aftermarket Arbitrage, a friendly face, a familiar business name, but please go and check them out. Important news, the PS5 drop this week is causing an absolute scene. Absolute money to be made with that, huge demand. Next thing is Pokemon cards. You could actually be sitting on a small fortune in your loft right now. The demand for them has been absolutely massive. People are paying hundreds of thousands, if not tens of thousands, for certain cards. And let's not forget the Aftermarket Arbitrage sneaker drops. People can make up to £700. He's got a dog barking over, it's really annoying me. £700 profit per shoe. And that's not for even forgetting the Yeezys, where you can make 50, 60, 100, £200 per pair. Link in the comments below for a sign up. Now let's go and eat some food. Should be ready. Thank you. You okay? Let's do it again. We're here, Jay's Grill in Hitchin. First thing I'll say, menu looked pretty good. I've heard it's decent and it looked all right. So we've gone for the fried mini platter and a burger. The burger was how much? Just £4, wasn't it?
£4, and the platter was £7.49.
Really? Good. So first things first. You have that, Sim Love. Here we go. Jay's Grill. Oh, you look at that. That looks decent, to be fair. Should we get it out? Oh wow, look at that. Do you know what? Can I just say, the standard of chicken we've had on the page recently has been genuinely appalling. I kind of beeline for this place. I knew it was half decent. Obviously, Hitchin, the home of another big player in the game. Don't need to say who it is. But I thought, do you know what? Let's get this on the page and show everyone what it's like. Now, first things first, it looks way better than what we've had recently. Fresh salad, lettuce shredded, and this looks like a really nice colour. Great seasoning on the chicken. It's exciting. Good bun. Let's go. That's not bad at all. Chicken. Thanks, Jeff. You give me the. You got sauce on your face. Chicken. Got really nice flavouring to the outer coating. It's not greasy. Nice little crunch to it. Over the chicken, slightly dry in the middle. Lettuce got that great crunch. Mayo, decent. Not a bad start. That's really nice. Good flavour. Slightly on the dry side. However, tasted super. I'm assuming this is chips. Oi, oi, oi.
Oh, they're peri salted, aren't they?
Peri salted chips. Here we go, look at them, look. Great little bag of chips. If you stop off for chicken on a lunchtime, this is what you need. Not the chicken cottage style. Right, now this here, Jessica, could you hold that, please? Here's our little fried, fairly basic looking. So I've got select, piece.
Select.
Isn't it? Or is it? It's like little strips.
That's a McDonald's.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Like a little strip. 2 strips, 2 wings, 2 piece. Looks pretty good, to be fair. Start with our wing. What do you guys think? Please get in the comments and let me know.
Bloody massive.
Is it? Yeah, it's good size. Nice outer coating to it. Really nice, delicate crunch on the outside of that. Nice flavour too. Not a lot of heat coming through though. Oh, next to no heat in fact. However, That's a really nice flavour. And now the heat's coming through. That's a slow burner. That's good. Really nice. Yeah, decent. My strip, kind of a bit more crispiness on the outside of that. Not bad.
Need some sauce.
Yeah. Lacking a bit of crunch on the outside. Bit of texture. Tastes a bit floury. Do you know what I mean? Other than that though, there's a one piece. Same again under there. Doesn't have that crispy crunch. You can tell now. Soft, you know? Alright, let's just dive in. Let's just go dive in with the manashas. Same as the strip. Really lacking that crunch. When you go to the elite chicken shops, you get that crisp, firm outer crunch with no greasiness. However, this is still leagues ahead of what I've had lately. This is like a banging little place. Chicken wing was delicious. Burger, not bad. Chips, great. What do you think, guys? Drink watch. Coke. And do you know what? They had a wicked, didn't they, Jess? They had a.
I'm surprised you went for Coke.
Oh, me too. I don't even know why. Fancy some sugar. Sometimes just fancy a Coke. Do you know what I mean? Jay's Grill and Hitchin. The flavours was kind of there. Better than I've been to lately. However, still think they could do better. Honest opinion. Burger was decent. I think, do you know what it is? I think we've been so many bad places lately in the chicken game that my expectations have just been crushed. You know, we go to the places like up the road and chicken is ruined forever because it is that special, it's that good. The magic lives in the food. This is better than normal, however, I'm still only going to give it a 6.8. I need that crunch, I need better flavours. But it is what it is, not bad. Still happy. Would I come back? Yeah, I probably would. Swinging in and, you know, I would come back. I've still got a smile on my face. Guys, thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, if you're new to the page, please give us a subscribe, give us a like if you're watching on YouTube, give us a little thumbs up. YouTube loves the thumbs up. And remember, our link for Aftermarket Arbitrage is in, is in the comments below. It's a bit of a no-brainer. £20–25 a month, and you get access to earning potential beyond your dreams. Right, thanks so much for watching, everyone, and that was another review.